Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add combo animation on FilmoraGo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your FilmoraGo apps and add the video that you want to edit. And then after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the clips. And then in here, you just click on animation at the bottom. And then click on combo, and in here you can see this is a mini combo animation from FilmoraGo apps. You can choose everything you like, maybe this one or this one or this one. And then after this, you can click check icon in here and finish. So that how to add combo animation on FilmoraGo apps. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.